Yes, it is Monday, November 30th, and I hope it is a good one for you. So let's get started with our bell ringer. Question number 1 asked us to give the name of the shape. Give the name of the shape. And as we can see, this is a four-sided figure, but it is three-dimensional. So any four-sided figure that has 3 dimensions is a cube. It's a cube. Notice that each of our sides is a square. All right, number 2. We have 85 and 8/10 plus 3 and 4/10. So we must always remember that when we are adding decimals, we must line up our decimals. So that was 85 and 8/10 plus 3 and 4/10. All right, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 comes down, and then our decimal comes straight down. So we're left with 89 and 2/10. Number 3, how many decades are the same as 80 years? All right, the question was, how many decades equal 80 years? And I know that 1 decade equals 10 years. I'm trying to figure out how many decades are in 80 years. So I know that that's essentially the problem, 80 divided by 10. And if you know your multiplication facts, you know that 8 divided by 10, or I could drop these zeros off and see that as 8 divided by 1. And I know that that's going to be 8 decades. 8 decades. All right, and then question number 4. Put 6/12 into simplest form. So I know that 6 and 12 can both be divided by 6, and whatever I do to the top, I have to do to the bottom. So 6 divided by 6 is going to give me 1. 12 divided by 6 is going to give me 2. And always remember that if you have a fraction with a numerator that is half of the denominator, it's always going to equal 1/2. Always. Alright, so that song that you heard in the beginning of the session was called Monday Monday by the Mamas and the Papas. So your password today is hashtag Mama Papa. Hashtag Mama Papa. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow, guys.